Okay guys, so I'm trying my twisted mascara and I'm going to show you guys. First, I'm putting on my primer. And I've tried my twisted mascara before. It's how I know I love the product. And how I know hopefully you guys will as well. So I'm doing really carefully to coat each lash with primer. Alright. And then, since we're good with that, I'm going to leave it like this and put it away. And then we're going to do the mascara. This is our twisted mascara formula, guys. This is my favorite formula yet for unique to have. Okay? Favorite. And honestly, it is the best. Okay, this one, I'm not even gonna really do too much, but you know, I'm going to wiggle the brush on my lashes here. I mean, that's all I do to bring these lashes to core with this and everything. And I'm just putting this right on. As you can okay, so here's this. Okay, so there we go. We have some layers of the mascara on, and as you can see, it applies really well. Okay, I will wipe the bottom off in a moment, but next is my absolute other favorite part, because here's where we're going to put on the little brush, and we're going to make these lashes look amazing. I got some black around me. I'm gonna do it like this, just to kind of really bring these lashes to the tips and work on them as much as I can. As you can see, I mean, I'm working on them now, as you can honestly see, and you can really see a difference in my lashes. As you can see, my lashes are very, very long now, and I'm just gonna brush through them with this little guy here, which is the brush, the little tiny brush here, and just do that really quickly. Honestly, I need just one application or one in this brush and call it good, and I'm like terrifically good. Okay, and as you can see, there's the lashes. Literally put on like this, and it's like, it's like, here you go, honey. You're fine. You're perfect, or whatever you want to say. And honestly, I'm very, very pleased about this mascara. Like, it gets my tiniest of lashes in the inner corner. And look at that, link's different. Okay, so I'm going to really quickly put this down. And I'm going to do that and look at this. Okay, and now really quickly, because I want to and I usually do this, I'm gonna brush through them with my little spoolie here. This is like a spoolie brush or something. I actually used to use this for something different, but honestly, now I use this to brush through them. Just to make them even or whatever, because, you know, I want them to be evenly brushed and distributed through, like, you know. Okay, so now that I did that, we're going to put the primer onto my other eye here, because it's still open. And we're going to just, honestly, just apply this like normal. And everything. And honestly, I love this stuff like crazy, guys. I'm not lying. I'm not lying when I say that I absolutely really do love this mascara and my primer. My primer is literally the bomb. It's amazing because it's so easy to use. But as you can see, I coat each lash with this primer and it's like very well coated. One thing I typically like to do is make sure the spoolie is done the correct way, because this primer actually has a rounded spoolie brush on it, and the rounded spoolie honestly will help for if I want to curl my lashes. I could also curl them in the process, but for me, I just typically like to just apply the primer to them. And I start from root to tip, and there we go. And this stuff has biotin in like all of our mascaras and stuff, so that's also a good thing to know. And so, honestly, I want to start with a small brush real quick, and I want to see how it does on its own. Not too bad, not too bad. But we're going to actually go back in with that big brush. Now we're going to go in the proper way. I just wanted to see. Sometimes these big ones do okay, and sometimes they don't. But I'm going to go ahead and start applying. Okay, so I'm just applying this, and I'm being very careful to do this. And also kind of wiggling my brush. Because if you wiggle your brush, it kind of helps to separate your lashes. Honestly, I'm going to try a trick with this eye because I've never done it. It's like if you're trying to do this eye, do that eye. I'm like pulling my eye apart because I'm getting... This one's harder because I used to do this. But honestly, I'm trying to learn how to do it with just one hand and not lift up the whole time. But that's okay. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm going to go through with my little brush real quick before I actually do the little brush. And I'm just going to brush through these little lashes real quick. Okay, so. Ew, okay, that one is all kind of, that one is kind of, ew. Yeah, I got black on me. Okay. Okay, no. That's a boo-boo, but that's okay. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my little brush, and the little brush is just going to be used for the... It's going to be used for the inner corner and outer corner of my eye, and I'm just going to go in very carefully. I'll even use it for a little bit of the volume with it. But more than likely, my brush is used for the inner corner lashes that are like right there. Yeah, I forgot to mention that this mascara is just, it's the actual bomb. I could honestly hold this one down and be fine, but I don't like holding it down. I don't why. As you can see, you really only need one brush or one application for either of these to get that honestly like a fake lash sort of look. Okay, and that's all I do. Now, I think next time I'm going to put something under my eyes, like tape, to stop from the bottom lashes, but this is literally my application. And then this is my brush again. Just because that did not... He's gonna call me. He's gonna call me. Yeah. And this is just how I do it. I brush through my legs or whatever. You know. Okay, I don't know. Black. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my cleanser, and I'm just gonna take a finger and apply it to underneath my lid, and the product gets on my finger, but literally it's not that hard for this product. This cleanser is amazing though, like it takes off my makeup so well, and all I gotta do is swish my hand in it once like this to really do a cleanup under the eyes or whatever I'm doing. And it is literally the absolute best. It works like a dream, and I can't even. If I'm doing like a full face of makeup, I will use this cleanser to remove it. It's best. It's the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, and this is the mini size, but I've had these for a month or so, and I've still got a crap ton in this one, and it's my first one I've opened, and I have two mini ones now because I ran out of my big one. Hush, Callie. But look at these lashes. They look so fake. Yeah, they look good. So I'm going to go wipe this off, and thank you for watching. Check out my mascara. If you want some, let me know. Love y'all.